version of this problem. And so he shows me this conversation, and he's like, all right, so you've got, a copper rod, and we're going to bombard it with super high pressure waves. What happens? And, he's like, so he answered, and O1 preview gives a good answer. He's like, okay, cool. So it got the undergrad problem right. And then now let's ask the graduate version of this. Now, what happens inside the rod itself as you're doing this, and what needs to be true in order for it to generate these certain kinds of shock waves? And he goes through and he's like, okay, so got that right. All right, now let's ask the postdoc level question. All right, now let's ask and at this point I'm like, despite having a physics background, I'm just following along for the ride because he's beyond anything I can do. Like, all right, now let's ask you just joined Lawrence Livermore, and you kind of question. You've gone through your postdoc, you're a nuclear physicist, and he keeps going, and O1 preview keeps getting the answer right. And then he's like, all right, now let me ask you you've worked at Lawrence Livermore for 20 years question. And it goes and it gets it right. And then not only that, but it like suggests that the only way to go forward is to use these set of simulation tools that are like partially classified, or that only Lawrence Livermore has. And it's like, I don't have access to these, but if you did, you would want to use these tools. And he's like, look, nothing in here